Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device has power and a network connection. This prevents mid-setup interruptions. Once done, tap the home screen app icon from your dock or app library and watch for permission prompts. Grant location and notification access so widgets and alerts work correctly, and sign in with your account if requested. You'll move immediately into customizing. Do not skip permissions, because they enable live content and timely reminders that the app relies on to function smoothly. You now arrange apps and widgets for fast access. Long press any icon to enter jiggle mode, drag items to new positions or the dock. To reduce clutter, create folders by dragging an app onto another. Rename folders for clarity. Once organized, tap the plus icon to add widgets, select size, and place them on the screen. Make sure widgets show useful info at a glance. When satisfied, press Done or the home gesture. These steps streamline your workflow and save you time every day. You finish by testing every shortcut and widget to confirm they update and open the right screens. Once done, exit jiggle mode to lock the layout, and if available, back up your home configuration to cloud settings. If a widget fails or icons won't move, restart the app first. Make sure permissions and network access remain enabled, and then reinstall only if needed. One key tip: reboot your device before reinstalling, because this often clears stale cache and fixes persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.